Hi, this is Steve Biggs on board a Regal 275 Commodore project. The boat's been left for several years. This is the interior, which in truth isn't too bad. Certainly for a project boat, this is probably not where you need to spend your time. A quick tidy, cushions look and feel okay. Large forward double. Headlining's all well trimmed. Looks like a fold down television up there. Galley. At least 2 heating units that I can see their controllers for. Isotherm fridge. Good size heads and shower. Looks like a sea toilet. Aft cabin, under floorboard, under cockpit cell, sorry. Obviously cushions are in the saloon as you've seen. Good size. Safe to assume that all the batteries are dead. The upholstery's in good condition from what I can see, just needing a clean. Everything will need a clean. But this is sold as a project. Anything could be wrong with it. 1.7 Mercruiser diesel on outdrive. I should think that would run, but I would get a mechanic to look at it and certainly service it, and definitely service the outdrive. Quite a big boat for an incredibly low price. Can stay where it is for you to work on it or have the yard work on it. If you'd like further information on this Regal Commodore 275, which is quite a big boat, please contact me, Steve Biggs at boatshednorfolk.com. Thanks for watching.